Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're reviewing the aosu D1 Max, a 6-camera 4K solar security system designed for comprehensive outdoor coverage. This kit boasts solar-powered cameras, local hub storage, and color night vision, all without mandatory monthly fees. It's a compelling option for larger properties seeking extensive surveillance. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's explore how the aosu D1 Max performs in various real-world scenarios for home security. With 6 cameras included, this system offers broad coverage for larger properties, effectively monitoring multiple entry points and outdoor zones simultaneously. The 4K resolution ensures very clear and sharp image capture during the day, making it easy to discern fine details from captured footage. Color night vision enhances visibility after dark, though its effectiveness is best when some ambient light is available to assist the built-in spotlights. Solar charging and local storage significantly reduce the need for frequent battery changes or constant monitoring of cloud subscription statuses, simplifying ownership. The aosu D1 Max delivers robust security performance with its wide coverage and detailed imaging, keeping daily maintenance needs low for users. Considering the robust features, let's evaluate the aosu D1 Max's overall value proposition. Purchasing a 6-camera system as a complete kit often proves more economical than acquiring individual units, presenting significant upfront savings. The inclusion of local storage completely removes the need for mandatory monthly cloud subscription fees, which translates into substantial long-term savings for users. Wireless design combined with solar power greatly simplifies the installation process, allowing for an easy do-it-yourself setup without complex wiring or professional help. For a subscription-free 4K system offering this many cameras, its feature set is quite aggressive and competitive within the current market landscape. The aosu D1 Max provides strong financial value, especially when considering its comprehensive multi-camera setup, subscription-free local recording, and straightforward installation. Every system has potential downsides. Let's cover the key considerations for buyers. Reliable live viewing and clip access depend heavily on a strong and stable Wi-Fi signal, especially for cameras mounted further from the base unit. While solar panels provide great convenience, cameras in shaded locations might not charge sufficiently, potentially requiring occasional manual recharging to maintain power. Accessing your footage through a cloud-connected app demands vigilance with account security and strong passwords to protect your personal data effectively. Compared to more established security brands, aosu's customer support and overall ecosystem are somewhat smaller, which could be a factor for some users. Potential buyers should carefully consider their home's Wi-Fi strength and sunlight exposure, along with the specifics of managing app access and customer support expectations. The aosu SolarCam D1 Max 6-camera 4K system is a strong recommendation for homeowners needing broad outdoor coverage with local storage and no mandatory subscriptions. Its main strength lies in large-scale 4K solar surveillance, but be aware of its dependence on consistent Wi-Fi and adequate sunlight. Ultimately, it's a compelling whole-property camera kit when placement and network conditions are suitable for your home.